Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're embarking on a cosmic journey, but instead of just cruising down the road, we're going to follow a beam of light as it travels across the vastness of space. Ready? Let's dive in. Imagine a single beam of light leaving a star, setting off on an epic journey across the universe. This light, like any wave, has a head and a tail, and as it begins, everything seems normal. The head of the wave is leading the way, with the tail following closely behind. But as this light travels through the cosmos, covering unimaginable distances, something strange starts to happen. At first, the head and tail are moving together, but over time, the distance between them starts to stretch. What in the world? How is that possible? What's going on here? Well, it turns out the universe itself is playing a role in this. You see, the universe isn't static, it's expanding. Imagine the light traveling through a universe that's like a balloon being blown up. As the balloon expands, everything on it gets farther apart, including the space between the head and tail of our light wave. This stretching of the light wave is what we call redshift. As the universe expands, the light's wavelength gets stretched out, making the light shift towards the red end of the spectrum. It's like the light wave is being pulled apart as it travels. The distance between its head and tail increases while it's traveling. So, what does this mean for the light's energy? As the light wave stretches, it loses some of its energy. This might make you wonder, if energy can't be created or destroyed, where does this lost energy go? That's the real twist in our story. In the everyday world, energy conservation is a law. Energy has to go somewhere, right? But when we're talking about the universe as a whole, things get a bit more complicated. The energy isn't really lost in the traditional sense. It's more like it changes because the universe itself is changing. In the grand scheme of the universe, especially one that's constantly expanding, energy doesn't behave the way we might expect. The stretching of the light wave and its energy loss are just part of the story of how the universe evolves. The energy isn't transferred to anything else. It's simply a result of the expanding space. So our beam of light continues its journey, stretched by the expanding universe, carrying with it the story of how our cosmos is constantly changing. With a sense of wonder, it's a reminder of how interconnected everything is, even across the vast distances of space. Thanks for joining me on this cosmic ride today. If you enjoyed this journey, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more adventures. Until next time, keep exploring and keep riding.